All right, class, this week we're going to run a speed lab. Okay, for this lab, you just basically need four things. Okay, so we need 2 cans of different sizes. Hopefully you have the same material inside the cans. 2 cans of different sizes. You'll need a measuring device, measuring stick or meter stick, or you can make a meter tape like I showed in another tape if you don't have a measuring tape. It measures in meters. You'll need a ramp, okay, which you can be creative with your ramp. Probably a longer ramp would be better, okay, but this will do. If you get it too steep, it's hard to time correctly, okay, but if you get it too shallow, then it's not as effective either, but something right in the middle so you can time it effectively. That's the key thing. And then you'll need a timer. I'm just going to use my phone. That's a good timer. All right, so all you're going to do is get it set up like this, okay? Get your starting spot, and you're going to measure that distance from into the board, okay, to the starting point, okay? Get that, record that in your data table. Okay, then you're going to get 6 good trials. All right, so if you do it and something screws up, a can rolls off the side or something happens, just redo it. Okay, go until you get what you think are good 6 valid trials. Okay, and every time you do a trial, okay, record the time in the data table, and then also mark down which can won, the large can or the small can. Okay. Once you've done those 6 trials and got it recorded, then you're just going to take the winning can, okay, and then with the winning can, you're going to measure the speed over the last meter of your ramp. Okay, so if this is my ramp, this is the last meter. Okay, so let's say the small can won. I would take that small can from the starting point, and then I'd let it go again, but instead of starting when I let go of it, I would start when it hits this, the 1 meter mark, and then I'll stop it when it hits the finish line, okay? Do that numerous times to get an average time, and then in the questions, it's gonna ask you some questions where you're gonna have to figure out velocities and accelerations. All right, so if you have any questions about how to do this, of course, you can email me, or you can just ask me during our Zoom meetings this week, all right?